Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're going to look at the multiplication and the division of surds. We're going to do multiplication first. This is really pretty straightforward. Let's just get into it. The rules are that we multiply these numbers first, so we go 2 times 5, and then we multiply the surds. 5 times root 2, or root 5 times root 2. And what we get is we get 10 root 10. And that's our answer. Pretty simple. Let's have a look at this. 3 root 5 times 2 root 5. I don't know why I rewrote that, but I did. Okay, so 3 times 2 times root 5 times root 5. Now, 3 2s are 6, so we can put that there. Root 5 times root 5 is 5, so our answer is 30. 6 5s are 30. So let's just go through this again. We took the 3 and the 2, we multiplied them. We multiplied the two surds, simplified this, got 5, 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 5, 30. You'll sometimes see maybe something like this. You just treat this as if it's an ordinary quadratic, and you go through the motions. 3 times 2, or 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times root 2, 2 root 2. 3 times root 5, 3 root 5. And root 5 times root 2 is root 10. And there's not a great deal that can be simplified there. That is simply the expansion of this. But it's all straightforward multiplication. Okay, let's have a look at division. So, we've got ourselves a few little problems here. Root 27 divided by root 3. I was silent for most of that. Hopefully that is pretty straightforward. You can put those under the square root sign. You can divide 27 by 3. You get 9. The square root of 9 is 3. This, this not quite so simple. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of 9. So the square root of 9 is equal to 3. So I can use that. So we've got 27. And we're going to divide it by the square root of 9, which happens to be 3. And what we get is that. So that's how we deal with something like that, if it's possible. Okay. Now, here's something a little bit more complex, and it might be helpful, I don't know, but I'm going to try and be helpful if we do it like this. Now, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And we can do this a number of ways. We can simply say, well, 9 divided by 3, that gives us root 3. But let's see that in action in a couple of ways. So root 9 divided by root 3 is equal to root 3. I hope that's pretty straightforward. We can also write it like this, and that is also equal to that. So if you've dealt with things like completing the square and so forth, you will have seen these square-rooted fractions. Anyway, the answer is 4 root 3, and that's the division of surds pretty much. I might later on put out a video with something a little more difficult in it, but that's probably enough of the basics to get you started anyway. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.